So
honey, water, oil, color.
yes. So what you have to do first?
What color?
Yeah, put the color in this water.
Okay.
Few drops, okay? You can put 3 drops.
1, 2.
We are going to do multi-layered flask experiment. Yeah.
Stir.
Yes.
Orange.
Okay. Now mix honey and oil in that.
Which one?
Where is oil and where is honey? Mix in that.
This is oil.
Yes. Mix in the conical flask. Yeah, slowly, okay? Full, nicely put. Yeah. Now, put honey. Full honey. Nicely do. It's coming out.
Remove this from
Okay,
outside
we'll clean it
here.
later, yeah. Shake this. No, from hand also you can go like this. Wait, lovely. Remove that. Now we will see what's happening. Now wait for some time. And see. What can you see?
Don't know. I don't know.
Where is honey?
I don't know.
Honey is at the bottom.
Here.
Yeah. And where is the oil?
Here.
At the top. See, look inside. Oil is floating on the water and honey is sitting down. Yeah. So this is multi-layered flask experiment. Now just wait. Just
And
observe.
it's sat down.
Yes. Wait, let's take.
Honey's good side sat down.
Mm.
Like put this in this.
Did you observe what happened now?
Yes. Honey sat down here.
Yes. And where is oil? At the top. It's floating. Now don't eat that honey.